Okay, this is our Windows Workstation Management tool. As you can see, you got a list of workstations over here, list of commands in the middle, and then some pertinent information about the currently selected workstation. You can see it by name, by last user, description if there is any, serial number, or MAC address. But let's just go back to PC name for now. Now let me find a computer. Here we go. I'm long gone to it on the other one. I can also say, instead of today, look back at all of them. So I'll just go basic down some of the commands. I can call up the C drive for that machine, and boom, there's the C drive, and remote the C $. I can get to it and fix files and copy files, whatever. Delete PC, I won't want to do on that computer, but that will delete it from the domain. Edit commands calls up another website, which I'll just briefly show up, that allows you to modify this list of commands that are here. Just call that up. And you see here's the list of commands, and you can modify them. I'll just call up like the one for the C drive. Modify, and between the carets you put the field that you want to use. But that gets into other things, so let's just return. Anyway, I can also call up that person's F drive, which is their personal files, and it comes up with their user profile drive up on the server. I can list the installed programs. That just goes out to a website that is from SMS and SCCM. Other things, labels, that just calls up a spreadsheet that I can then use to print labels for various things. MMC, which is useful, it calls up the MMC console for the selected PC. There we go. Regedit just calls up Regedit. Remote assistance allows you to call up remote assistance. Remote desktop, RDP if nobody's logged in, etc., etc. Wake on LAN if the computer's not on, which if I click here at the IP address, it'll turn green if it's on, or red if it's not, which come in handy for Wake on LAN. And is there one? This just calls up information on the PC. This is the data that's collected every day when someone logs on to it. And it's in the logon script. It's real simple. And okay, so there's that. These certain fields that are buttons, you can click on them and it copies it into the clipboard, because invariably you either have to email the user, so you click on the username, you have to find the serial number in another system, paste it, etc. Now these other buttons down the edge here, everybody needs Google. That's our home web page. This is a directory of other tools that we use a lot. This goes to managing printers, which I'll go to in another video. SMS, workstation reports, and then this goes into server and other network reports. So let me go into workstation reports. I can query the workstation list, and then I can select what fields I want. Last logon, last user, what model, how much RAM, and let's say I only want it for a specific model. And okay, let's just do these new machines. I can check off and it'll try to open it in Excel, so then I can do further data on it, or just click general, and then here you got your columns, etc. It's a lot easier on the when you do it in Excel, because then you can really modify it. System status just shows the last time it did data collection from various servers. User reports, the other one was just based on the user. The PC, I can say, okay, let me find out let's pick a user. It's a... she hasn't logged on in a while, so we'll just generate a report from that. Those are all the machines she's logged on. I forgot to select the date field. But then it would tell me when she logged onto it. DCSC, other, this is just a web page of just other links to things that we've used over the years. And that's it for this one.